Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about an electronic voting machine. Yeah, I think we all know what an electronic voting machine is. Yeah, it is a machine or a machine that is used to facilitate the process of election. That is by you can either log in using your fingerprint or your ID or your password, and then you're able to vote for your candidate of choice. Yeah, so here we go. I had quite a number of objectives, that is three objectives. Yeah, the first one was to be able to output the number of contestants who were eligible to be voted for by the users. So this means that all the contestants will be outputted on my console screen so that the user can choose his or her candidate of choice, and then to be able to register and input the users who are eligible to vote, and also be able to call back the voter once they input their security code. So that means that I'll be registering the voters by their ID numbers, and then once you register the ID number, they can be called back logging. Yeah, and then the machine should be able to tally the votes and output the winner and the counterparts in succession. Yeah, so that this means that once I've voted, the number of votes should be tallied such that the winner is at the top, followed by the rest. Yeah, that is okay. So that is good. Let us go straight to our code. Okay, here is our code for today. Yeah, we have quite the number of header files, functions. Yeah, so for example, the windows.h function, the header file is what is used by the system color function and the CLS. Function of these are mainly for example, the CLS is to tidy up my console applications so that they're not crowded or data or something. Then the color is just for traction. Yeah, so we'll go straight. I think it's better. Let's preview the code. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite big, but also very effective and easy to use even for a beginner. Okay, we'll go straight to building our project. Okay, still building. Okay, it's building. Oh, that was quite a while. Yeah, I think we are done. It has built a program, so let us let us run it. Here we go. Good. I think you heard the beep. That's also a function of the Windows header file. Okay, here we go. Powered by, yeah, welcome to electronic voting. It's the future of democracy. Yeah, we can see it's the future of democracy because it's quite transparent and easy to use for each and every person. Yeah, and also it's very transparent so that your vote is recorded and tallied immediately. So you see, very, very effective and very transparent. So at first, let us register some voters. For example, let's say to register a voter, just as directed here, you press 1, and then to log in, you press 2. So let us first register a voter. So to register a voter here, I'm registering them by their ID numbers. So let's say 1212 is the ID number for the first. Just a simple for the sake of our demonstration. Let's say the second one can take a 34. Yeah, for the sake of demonstration, let's just put a third one. Let's say 56. Okay, we are able to do that one. Okay, we are taking back to our menu. So let us choose the login now. So for you to be able to log in, you must have been registered first. So if you're not registered, you cannot log in, and the process will be terminated. And also, but if you are registered, you will be able to vote. You'll be able to vote, and then now your vote be tallied. Okay, let's go and demonstrate it. For example, I'm called J, my name. And then let's say I enter my ID 1212. The first ID we entered. Yeah, I'm able to vote. So let's say, for example, I vote for, who am I to vote for? Let me see. Example, let's vote for one. Good. Congrats, you voted for Raila. Here we go. So if you want to check the results, R and V. So let's say R. I want to check the results. R. That's admins login only. That means only the admin can come in and check the results. That means you cannot tamper with the results or have an early view of what's going on. So enter the username and admin, so I know my username and my password. Easy things for the sake of us easy program. So there we are. At first it's saying Raila's votes at the station are 1 0 0 0, yeah. And then Raila is the winner at this polling station. That means that it has already run. It has tallied. You see, it's arranging right from the winner to the losing opponent. So I think we are all done with our objectives, but let us now continue here and check. Now the second thing is that once, if you have not registered, you cannot log in. Let us run and see. So here is we try and log in with the name. Let's say Harry, but not Maguire. And then so let's say we give him an ID number of 3434. There is, he was logged in. Oh, sorry. Let's first do with this where he is logged in but votes for the wrong candidate that is not there. And here we go. Sorry, that's a spoiled vote. That means he cannot vote. His vote was spoiled and not tallied, and it will not be tallied. And then now let's run again and try now somebody who is registered. Let's say we log in. Yeah, let's say Kate is the name, and the ID number, just give it a random number, let's say 9898, an ID number that is not registered. Here you say the invalid, or you have already voted. So that means you cannot be able to vote twice, and neither can you be able to vote if you had not registered. So that makes it quite transparent. Yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful for anyone who was researching. And yeah, feel free to hit the subscribe button and like and hit the bell icon for any future videos. Thank you.